Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now to C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now to D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now to F. F for fish, F for fan, and use red color. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids neither H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use green color. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids neither K. K for kite, K for king, and use black color. Kids neither L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids neither M. M for moon, M for mango, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use red color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids neither T. T for teacher, T for tiger, and use red color. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use green color. W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Kids neither Y. Y for yak, Y for yaya, and use black color. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.